Welcome friends. Today, I want to show you 15 beautiful ways to keep order in our children's rooms. The most chaotic room on this planet is undoubtedly the children's room. Whether it's cleanliness or order in toys, every parent longs for a pleasant and tidy home. So how do we maintain order in our children's rooms? Since they are full of endless toys, books, and everything else, you might want to come up with a permanent solution instead of putting everything into a big plastic box. Thanks to these clever solutions, the children's room will be elegant, clean, and at the same time, inviting for the child to discover new possibilities and games. Join us to explore some truly original ideas and implementations of how your old new children's room could look.